This is Daddy from Busy Daddy Cooks. Today we are making prawns with tomato and ketchup.
My Busy Daddy Cooks.
It's traditional to serve a dish of prawns during the Chinese New Year meal. This is because, in Cantonese, prawns is pronounced as ha, like in laughter. So this is associated with the idea of happiness and laughter for the whole of the year. Today we are making a very quick prawns with tomato and ketchup stir fry. After all, there are lots of things to do during the Chinese New Year besides just cooking. This is also a regular weekday stir fry dish for my family, and the kids love it. This is how you make prawns with tomato and ketchup. I have here 380 grams of prawns. For the prawns, there's a sharp point on the top of the head. To prepare the prawns, trim off the long feelers and this sharp point. How do you devein a prawn without removing the shell? Well, you do this with a toothpick. Insert the toothpick on the top and middle of the prawns between two shells. Now lift and remove the vein. Let's see this again. Insert a toothpick on the top of the prawn between two shells. Lift and remove the vein. For the aromatics, cut 3 slices of ginger. Chop up a clove of garlic. Separate the white and green parts of the green onion. Smash the white parts and cut it up. Cut up the green parts as well for garnishing later. Heat up the pan with 2 tablespoons of oil. And fry the ginger, garlic and green onions for about a minute. Put in the prawns. Add 2 tablespoons of ketchup, 2 teaspoons of soy sauce, 2 teaspoons of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Now add the chopped tomatoes. Put in 3 tablespoons of water and fry till the tomatoes are soft. Make a slurry with 1 teaspoon of cornstarch and 1 tablespoon of water to thicken the gravy. Prawns with tomato and ketchup stir fry. I would like to wish all my viewers a happy Lunar New Year. May you have a prosperous year ahead. Thanks for watching Busy Daddy Cooks. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. You may also want to check out some of my other quick and easy recipes.
Please subscribe to my daddy's channel.